Oh my gosh, today's beehive is so huge and massive. My friends, just looking at it is overwhelming. It's really unbelievable. It's way up high, and climbing up there is definitely dangerous, but also super exciting. Stay tuned and watch how we harvest this giant beehive. Here it is. This beehive is way up high on the tree, my friends. Climbing up to harvest it is definitely not easy. We have to be extremely careful because even the slightest mistake could be very dangerous. We have to climb while hammering nails like this to create footholds to keep going up. Since the tree trunk is round and slippery, with nothing to hold on to, climbing up is really challenging. There it is. The beehive is right over there, but it's hanging on the branch on the other side. How can we get across to it now? This is truly dangerous and requires a lot of skill. I've made it up to the top now. I'll use smoke to drive away some of the bees. These small branches are really in the way, so I'll cut them off with my knife to make the honey harvesting process easier. After the bees start flying away, look everyone, the beehive is gradually revealing itself. Wow, how amazing it looks. There's quite a lot of honey inside too. I'll film it up close so you can see just how big it really is. It's absolutely massive. The closer you look, the more enormous it appears. This honey is truly amazing, unbelievably tempting. My friends, harvesting this beehive takes quite a lot of time, so let me share a story about wild honey hunting while we wait. Each honey hunting trip feels like a real adventure. We have to trek deep into the forest, listen for the buzzing of bees to trace their path, and then search high branches where the hives are hidden. Sometimes, it takes an entire day just to find a single large hive. A honey hunter needs not only strength, but also experience and courage, because thousands of bees can attack at any moment. But in return, when the golden honey is finally revealed, all the hardship seems to vanish, leaving only a deep sense of joy. That's why we love this work, a journey full of challenges, but also full of the sweetest rewards that nature can offer. And here is the result we've harvested from this beehive. It's truly amazing, golden honey, shining and naturally sweet. Thank you so much for watching today's adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel and join us on the next exciting journey.